Standard First, Subject Maths, Chapter 34, Introducing 100. Introducing 100. Children, so far we have learned the numbers from 91 to 99. You already know what is meant by units and what is meant by tens. Today we are going to learn about 100. Let's start now. Children, what is the sum of 99 and 1? How can we write it? You see, 99 plus 1 together make 100. We can write like this. 99 is equal to 9 tens plus 9 units plus 1 unit. Children, there is no digit bigger than 9. If we add 1 unit to 9 units, it will make a 10. When there are 10 units in the units place, make a bundle of them and then place it in the house of tens on the left. Now, there are 10 tens in the tens place. Make a big bundle of 10 tens. Place this bundle in a house on the left. This big bundle is known as 100. It is written as 100. Children, 100 contains 100, 0 tens and 0 units. So, 100 is written as shown here.